It's Vlogtober 22nd and I've got a full day, so I thought I would take you along for the ride. So if you want to see what I've got going on, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about products that you can use in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's get it started. I thought you might like to see how I start the day and then what I've got to do throughout the day. And as I said earlier, it's Monday, and on Mondays I do my weekly home blessing, and so I'll show you how I do that. And then also my mom is still in the hospital, so I'm going to have to run up there, so I guess I better get to it. First thing I try to do is remember to get my meds in, and I don't always do that, so I make it a point to do it first thing, and then that way it's done for the first part of the day. I like to put the sheets and the towels in at one time. So on my weekly home blessing, I will strip the bed and then throw in the sheets and the towels that are in the bathrooms that day. I have some friend mail that I need to mail out, so I'll have to make a stop by the post office. So I've tucked a little note inside. It's not much, but it was just something that I found that I thought was cute that I think this person will like. Okay, so this is ready to go, and I will throw this in the back of a car so that I can take it with me on my way out. I am going to have to wrap this up today. I have got to get up to the hospital to see my mom, so I haven't gotten everything done that I wanted to accomplish, but I got a great start. The nice thing about the weekly home blessing is that you can break it up if you need to. So I got the windows and the glass done in this room and the front door and in the entryway. So tomorrow I'll finish up the glass in the dining room, and got a couple things I want to do in the kitchen. So I am going to see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober, for Vlogtober 23rd. So here's my question for you. What part of today's Vlogtober did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogtober 23rd.